Kitty, kitty. She looks so cute when she begs. Well, you might be thinking I'm being mean right now to this poor little hungry starving cat. Well, here, watch this. I'm gonna take her to my room. I can carry her with one hand. She's a tiny cat. Take her to her food dish. Oh, look! Food in the food dish. You're trying to fool me, kitty kitty. Oh, Luna. Her name is Luna. See, look, and now she just goes right back to the refrigerator. Goofy cat. She fools me way too much. Sometimes I've even opened a brand new can thinking she needs food, only to find that she still has food. She always has dry food, but oh, no dry food for kitty. That's not real food. That's not real food, is that?